Yeah, looking forward to the Tennessee game. My first action in this rivalry game. Tennessee is a team that's moving in the right directions. They've had some good wins this year and some tough losses, but you can see how hard they play and how well coached they are. We expect our players to come out and play with a lot of energy and a lot of passion for this rivalry game, and it's our last opportunity for our seniors. And we did not have our best effort of the year the last time out, so we expect to come out and play a better game this week. So looking forward to the opportunity with Tennessee.
First up, we have Jimmy Hyams of the Sports Animal in Knoxville.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mark, would you talk about the progress of Deshaun Mobley and also how much you think he might carry if his workload might be increased this weekend?
Yeah. Very impressed with Deshaun. I think he's been progressing throughout the year. I really love Deshaun's attitude. He gives us a little bit more punch in the backfield. He's a little bit bigger, a little bit stronger back. And he's been improving, like I said, all year. He's also done a very nice job on special teams. He's been a guy that's had just done a great job. He's always willing to do whatever it takes in any special team, and he's eager to get out there and get on the field and have an impact and make a difference. And, again, I think he's been getting better and better with the ball in his hands and doing better in his pass protections and things like that and just picking up the entire system. So Deshaun had an increased role last week, and we expect more of the same this week with him.
Are both of your quarterbacks ready to play, and do you anticipate playing both against Tennessee?
Yeah, both quarterbacks practiced yesterday and Monday and Tuesday, and will be out there today. And, yeah, we expect both quarterbacks to be ready, and both of them could play.
Thank you.
You got it.
Next is Dwayne Rankin of the Montgomery Advertiser.
Yes, Coach. Looking at T.J. Yeldon, what makes him a special back?
Oh, I just think just a very good player and you know, very strong and explosive and the whole package. You know, so just very, very strong and elusive.
Thanks, Coach.
Yeah.
We have a follow-up from Jimmy Hyams.
Coach, if you would just talk a little bit about your defensive ends. I think they've combined for 13 sacks this year.
Yeah, I've been very impressed. I think, you know, Bud Dupree is a guy that's very versatile. He's done a nice job with his hand in the ground playing defensive end, and we've also had him standing up in the 3-4 playing linebacker and doing some different things, and he's really a guy that you can play anywhere, you know, with in the front seven. You know, I think he's that versatile. He's a guy that, again, I think he can play any of the D-line spots depending on the down and distance, and he's been very good standing up. So very impressed with Bud and his versatility and his explosiveness. Darius has also had a very nice year. He's still, you know, getting better and better as the season goes on, but he's playing with very good technique, and he's a guy that's just going to get better as we go along here. But very encouraged with those two.
When you've had a tough season, is it hard to motivate your guys for this last game, or do you think just the fact that it's Tennessee will be motivation enough?
Well, I think I've seen a better attitude with our team this week. We were not very proud of our effort the last time out. I think, you know, throughout this year, win or lose, I think you've seen a lot of good things from our team, and you've seen moments. This past weekend was not one of our better games, and so I think that motivation, along with playing Tennessee in a rivalry game, in our last game at home for our seniors, you know, I would expect our team to play with much more motivation than we did a week ago.
You mentioned you weren't happy with the effort the week before. Was that something that you saw in practice that was coming, or did it surprise you?
Well, there was a little uneasiness throughout the week. You know, I had to take some disciplinary action against a few guys, and that's never fun to do, but it's something that needed to be done. And so I think, you know, combine that with just the fact of going on the road and playing a very good team that was starting to get healthy, that was coming off a very difficult loss. Give credit to Georgia. They really took it to us from the first snap to the last. So I think it was a combination of Georgia really playing well and in us not having the focus or the toughness that we needed to go into a hostile environment.
And what impresses you about Tennessee?
Well, I think the first thing that jumps out at you is their O-line. They're just so physical. Very good group, their young quarterback's coming along. You can see he's going to be a great player, and they're a team that's growing. They've fought their tails off all year, and had a couple very good wins, and could have had a few more, and had the tough losses. But they're a team that's getting better and better, and a very well coached team.